All right, you guys, this is my favorite part, tip of the week, where I bring one of my amazing fans on the show. Thank you for being here and sitting with me in Santwon.
Thank you for having me, Carlina.
Of course, absolutely. So this week's tip of the week is do something nice for someone else, because we live in such a self-centered world where people are just thinking about themselves all the time. So you want to do something else, something nice for someone else. Like last night, I saw like a homeless guy on the street and I gave him some money for food. And on top of that, I went grocery shopping because I was shopping for the show, Cooking with Carlina, and I gave him some of the food from that.
No lie, I actually did give a guy change today.
You did?
Not even kidding.
Oh my God!
And I never do that. I'm stingy, so.
I cooked my roommate dinner the other night.
You did? What'd you make? What'd you make? This is Cooking with Carlina. I want to hear.
I made her some tofu orange chicken.
Ooh, fancy. Okay. You're gonna have to come cook with me sometime.
Oh,
are you down for that?
Of course.
Yes! All right. So you guys comment below on how you help somebody else this week. And if you guys want me to see your tip of the week, use the hashtag CWC tip of the week right here. And I'll see that. All right, you guys, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com, for more videos and recipes and DIY projects. Thank you guys so much, and mwah!
Later.